Hello student, good afternoon. I am Irsa Siddiqui, chemistry teacher. Today I am going to discuss the subject of chemistry and the topic is nature of matter and the subtopic is elements. First of all, what is element? So, elements are the purest form of a substance which contains same types of atom is known as elements. Examples are hydrogen, sodium, nitrogen, oxygen. In elements, composition of element is always fixed. Property of element fixed. Element is a homogeneous. For example, composition of element fixed, it means it contains similar types of composition fixed. Composition fixed, it means element contain similar types of atom. Similar types of atom. For example, hydrogen element contain only hydrogen atom. Only hydrogen atoms. All hydrogen atoms are identical in shape, size and masses. So in hydrogen elements, it contains hydrogen atom. The number of hydrogen atom in an element is fixed and the atoms are identical in shape, identical in size and identical in mass. Total number of elements known is 118, in which 92 are metals, 19 are non-metals and 7 elements are metalloids. So in 118 elements, 92 elements are metal, 19 are non-metals and 7 are metalloids. Some examples of metalloid: silicon, germanium. These are the metalloids. Non-metals are oxygen, hydrogen, and metals are silver, gold, copper, iron. These are metals. So 92 elements are metals, 19 are non-metals and 7 elements are metalloids. Elements may be solid, liquid or gas. Elements may be solid, liquid or gas. There are two elements in general, two elements which are present in gaseous state. First one is mercury and second one is bromine. These two elements are present in liquid states. Some elements like gallium and cesium, gallium and cesium are present in liquid state above 27 degrees Celsius. So gallium and cesium at room temperature are solid, but above room temperature, which is more than 27 degrees Celsius, they are present in liquid state. Next, symbol of element. Symbol of element. First of all, what is symbol? A letter that has a specific meaning is known as symbol. A letter that has a specific meaning is known as a symbol. For example, symbol of hydrogen element, it is represented by capital H. Symbol of iron, it is represented by Fe. So, in symbol, maybe one letter or maybe two letters. If it contains one letter, then it has only capital letters. If it contains two letters, then it has one letter. First letter is capital and second letter is a small letter. How we can symbolize a particular elements? It is based on IUPAC system. IUPAC, what is the full form of IUPAC? International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. So the full form of IUPAC is International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. According to IUPAC system, in symbol, first letter is always a capital letter. And second letter is always a small letter. So we can symbolize any elements with the help of IUPAC system, which is International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. It is a international scientific organization. It is a international scientific organization What is the function of IUPAC? International Scientific Organization system, IUPAC system is used to write the symbol of an element, to write the name of element. Some common example and its symbol. Symbol of sodium element, it is written as Na. Symbol of iron element, it is written as Fe. So in Na it contains two letters. So first letter is capital letter and second letter is small letter. In iron it contains two letters. So first letter is capital letter and second letter is a small letter. Symbol of nitrogen. Symbol of nitrogen, it is written as N. It contains only one letter, that is nitrogen, so it is written in capital letters. Some of the symbol contain two letters and some of the symbol contain only one letters. Symbol of sodium is not S or SO, because some of the symbol is derived from Latin name. So the Latin name of sodium is natrium. Latin name of sodium is natrium. So the symbol of sodium is Na. What is Latin or Latin name? The language which are used by ancient Rome is known as Latin. What is Latin? The language which is used by ancient Rome is called Latin. So in next video I will discuss some other examples of symbol of an element. All students are required to see video carefully. If any problem, you can share with me. I will discuss and solve the problem. Thank you, and thank you very much for watching the video.